I'm Makayla Harris.
And I'm Katherine Joyner.
And today we are presenting to you
Duchenne
muscular dystrophy.
Overview of the Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Duchenne muscular dystrophy, also known as DMD, is a severe genetic disorder characterized by progressive muscle degeneration due to a mutation in the DMD gene.
Name and OMIM number. Duchenne muscular dystrophy is inserted under the OMIM number 310000. That's 31000. This classification aids in the identification and study of genetic disorders associated with DMD.
Other names or abbreviation. DMD is also known as pseudohypertrophic muscular dystrophy and is often abbreviated as DMD. This term highlights various aspects of the condition, including muscle enlargement and degeneration.
Mode of inheritance. DMD follows an X-linked recessive pattern of inheritance, meaning the defective gene is located on the X chromosome. Males are predominantly affected, while females may become carriers.
Chromosome number. The gene responsible for DMD is located on the X chromosome at position XP21. This specific chromosomal mapping is crucial for genetic understanding and testing.
You're over here now. Gene size. The DMD gene spans approximately 2.4 million base pairs, making it one of the largest known human genes. Who would think of such? This extensive size plays a role in the complexity of its mutations. The gene size plays a huge important part with its matching bases, and remember, 2.4 million matching base pairs are approximate in DMD.
Molecular mechanism of Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD, is primarily caused by mutations that affect the dystrophin protein, crucial for muscle fiber integrity. What is dystrophin, you might ask? Dystrophin is a large cytoskeletal protein responsible for connecting the inner cytoskeleton of muscle cells to the extracellular matrix, maintaining cell stability during contraction and relaxation. Its deficiency leads to muscle degeneration in DMD. Cellular impact of dystrophin deficiency. The absence of dystrophin results in increased membrane permeability, leading to calcium influx, inflammation, and apoptosis of muscle fibers. This process progressively degenerates muscle tissues, causing muscle weakness. The type of mutations in DMD. DMD mutations mainly include deletions of exons in dystrophin gene, affecting its size and functionality. Point mutations and duplications can also disrupt the protein coding sequence, leading to disease manifestation. Epidemiology and symptoms of Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD, predominantly affects males with an incidence of about 1 in 3,500 live male births, highlighting its genetic scarcity yet significant impact. Frequency of occurrence. DMD is one of the most common genetic disorders affecting muscles, with approximately 20,000 new cases reported annually worldwide. It is rarely found in females, as it usually occurs in boys due to X-linked recessive inheritance. The symptoms of DMD. Symptoms of DMD typically appear between ages 2 and 5, starting with muscle weakness in the hips, pelvis, and legs. As the disorder progresses, individuals may experience difficulty walking, frequent falls, and eventually loss of ambulation by their teenage years. Diagnosis and treatment of Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Understanding the multifaceted approach to treating Duchenne muscular dystrophy, focusing on medical interventions, prenatal detection, and future scientific advancements.
Oof. Y'all, we almost through this storm. I think I hear it passing out. Yeah, we almost done. Treatment approaches. Current treatments for Duchenne muscular dystrophy aim to slow progression and manage symptoms. Corticosteroids are commonly prescribed to prolong muscle function and reduce inflammation, while physical therapy maintains mobility and strength. Let's see what's next. Prenatal detection options. Prenatal testing methods for Duchenne muscular dystrophy include amniocentesis and chorionic villus sampling. These tests can identify carriers and potentially affected fetuses, allowing for informed decision making by patients or parents because symptoms run young. Genetic versus environmental influences. Duchenne muscular dystrophy is primarily a genetic disorder caused by mutations in the dystrophin gene. While genetic factors are predominant, some studies suggest that environmental influences such as your nutrition may impact the disease severity. So be careful with what you eat because it really does affect you. What you are, what you eat. Potential for gene therapy. Gene therapy holds promise for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, aiming to correct or replace defective genes. Recent trials using viral vectors to deliver dystrophin gene copies show encouraging results, pointing towards a potential definitive treatment. So right now, for gene therapy, it is being looked into and trials are being ran, but there's no direct answer. But it is being looked into to see how it can improve and help somebody who has DMD. Future research directions. Future research on Duchenne muscular dystrophy is focusing on improving gene therapies, understanding disease mechanisms, and developing new pharmacological treatments. Collaborative efforts between researchers, clinicians, and families are essential for advancing care. Everybody has to work as a community. Interesting facts. Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD, affects around 1 in 3,500 3,500 male birth wide males birth wide. It is an X-linked recessive disorder, primarily impacting boys. The condition leads to profound health issues over the affected individual's lifetimes. Health complications associated with DMD escalate as the disease progresses. Early diagnosis and intervention are crucial for managing this disorder. You don't want it to get bad, but if it does, you do have ways that it can help go down, but it will affect you in your lifetime later on. And these are our sources. Our group thanks y'all a lot for listening to us talk about DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. And this is our understanding the genetic disorder and its impact. And I think the storm is done. Almost forgot. Let us roll out with a lit clip.